So here is Boom Fantasy Sports app. So you can just tap Get to install it, then just use double click to install it. Real Money Fantasy Sports. Boom Fantasy is your new home of daily fantasy sports, featuring new and exciting games where you can win real money. You make it easy. All you have to do is create your entry by choosing 2-5 players, using over/under or matchup questions. Sit back and wait for a big payday. We also got brand new game modes, favorites and long shots where just three correct picks in lot shots wins you 40x your money. Yeah, Boom Fantasy debuted as a real money DFS app in 2016, and we know what you want: easy and fast withdrawals, big payouts, track your picks live with real-time updates, a fast app with seamless navigation. So yeah, then you can just open it up, and here you can log in or you can sign up. So you can just tap login or view lobby. You can just tap to view lobby, and then from here you can just tap sign up. Just your email and choose a password, or you can sign up with a phone number. So yeah, that's the process how you can get started with your account on iOS app.